G'day folks and welcome back. Well, welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC and today on the bench, as you can see, there's an ERTL 1932 Ford Roadster kit in metal. Yeehaw. My wife found that for me at a swap meet roughly 10 years ago. Bloke said to me, he said, oh, it's $10, and the wife went, oh, and he goes, oh, well, give us $5, you can have it. So I jumped on it, of course. This is an invitational. I mentioned this in my first live video to everyone that would like you all to join us in a build, and I've been hanging out to build this since we found it in the container when we were moving boxes, and yeah, I would really like to get in and put it together. So I would love anyone to join us in, if you're a kit model, doesn't matter, car, truck, bike, boat, tank, whatever you bring to the table. And then I would also like you to send me before and after shots, also with your shot card or your logo, etc., however you do it, so I can set up a really recap video of everyone that joined in. The build's not due until the 29th of September, which is my youngest bloke's birthday. Well, when I say youngest, he's 23. So yeah, I'd love you all to join us. Mike's from Mike's Model Shops joined us. Cool, thank you, brother. Sean, the Scale Model Car Guy channel, is joined in. Johnny V from Johnny V's Custom Garage Tassie, my Tassie brothers, joined in. All up on the screen, links in the description below for those guys there. Now this is the kit of Ramblers 69. Old Tom told me when I did my live there, he left a comment there and told me that this kit's from 1981. So that's 41 years ago. 1981 doesn't sound like it's that old, does it? But that's 41 years ago. Anyway, these are the stickers that come with it. They're not decals, they're just stickers that are clear. I won't be using any of that sort of stuff. The instructions are really cool, how old and vintage they are. But anyway, bring a few of the bits out so you can actually get to see a bit more. Someone has actually obviously tried to started to put this together and had a bit of a play around. It does have both engines as well as a hot rod engine. So I don't know whether I want to build a hot rod. I don't want to build a stocky, but that engine will go good in the diorama. And it's got some nice mags. But I've been looking at some other nicer wheels. See if we can get them to stand up there. Probably won't. It'll knock me over and I don't have insurance. Right, yeah. Now there's plenty of other bits in the box as well here. There's all the doors, the axles, part of the underframe for the rear wheels to hold the rear wheels in, and then there's also all of the stock wheels. Like I can build it stock, like it is on the front of the box, or I can build a hot rod, and of course I want to do the hot rod and that sort of thing there. There's all of these other bits and pieces and everything else. Someone just started to put it together dry, and so nevertheless we'll fix that there. Got the other two mags in here, the chrome's starting to come off it, but they're still on the spur, so I'll re-chrome those. But yeah, alrighty, so there we go, there we are, there have it. That's my submission into the invitational. So if those other guys that have joined in already are in the links in the description down below, and please let us know in the comments if you want to join in. I would love you all to join in, every single one of you, if you can, please. And it's not due, like I say, until the 29th of September. Alrighty, okay, that's about to wrap this up there. We've got our 750 sub giveaway coming, and also our Porsche giveaway coming, which is going to be a live show coming up very soon, so we can get that one out of the road. Then we'll have the 750 sub giveaway, which is a Chevy truck, hotted up, and the Golden Fleece Australian old school livery. Alrighty. Yeah, so it'd be so cool to have more of you join us. It is good for our mental health, plus it's a great community. We all look after each other. That's the great part that I love about it, and also chatting back and forth. Alrighty. Thanks again for watching. Please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.